Hello, my little friends. Welcome to my virtual classroom. So today we will be learning about different parts of plants. Okay, so you guys already know what do you call this part. This is a flower. How do you spell flower? Flower. Flower. These are the leaves. So I'm just gonna write leaf. 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 This part, this over here. So this part is called stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. And here, do you see the black lines going down? These are called the roots. Roots. R-O-O-T-S. Roots. So these are the roots. And the brown part is not the part of the plant, but this is the soil. We call it dirt, soil, which is very important for the plant to grow. So here there are 4 parts in the plant: flower, leaf, stem, and roots. Each part, like you know how human bodies have hands, we have nose to smell, we have mouth to eat, we have ear to hear, right? We have eyes to see. Same thing, plants have different parts to survive in this world. Okay, so each part has its job to do. Okay, so the job of the roots. So let's start from the bottom. These are like kind of legs. But do plants move? No, they don't move. But we move with our legs, right? But plants do not have leg, but they have roots. And roots' job is to hold the plant tight in the soil so they can stand still. They're not moving like with the wind. Otherwise, they're just gonna die. They're just gonna flow away with the wind, right? Blow away with the wind. So what happened is that's the job of the roots, to hold the plant tight in the soil. Okay, now we have stem. There is one more job for the roots. While they're standing still in the soil, they are also taking food, because obviously plants cannot move. They need food to survive. And how they get their food? So they get their food from the soil. Okay, soil has food, nutritions inside. So plant roots just absorb, like take food and bring it to the stem. So all the roots job is just taking the food and bring the food to the stem. Now stem's job is to deliver food to the leaves. So stems deliver food to the leaves, and stem food deliver foods to the flowers, so that they do not remain hungry, right? They are hungry, they need food, and they take help from the stem to get their food. Okay, now what's happening with the leaf? What do leaves do? You know how we breathe? Right? We use our mouth, we use our nose to breathe. So leaves' job is to breathe, because we don't see, leaves have very tiny holes in them. Very, very tiny holes, which we cannot see with our naked eyes. So, but when you use a microscope, you can see leaves have very tiny small pores to which they breathe. They take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen in the atmosphere. Okay, so these have tiny holes. Leaves help plants to breathe. Okay, now what is the job of these beautiful flowers? So beautiful flowers, so let me tell you, yeah. So beautiful flowers, they help plant to reproduce. What is reproduce? Reproduce means they help plant to make more plants, baby plants. Okay, so flowers' job is to reproduce, to make more tiny plants. All right, so these are the parts, and these are very important. I got a plant for you guys. I want to show this plant. I put it in the water so that I can show you the roots. You know how the roots are inside the water? I'm gonna just take out one stem from this pot, and I'm gonna closely show you how the roots look like. Okay, so they're all together now. I need to separate them. Okay, here, this is the plant. Look at this beautiful plant. Look at the parts of this plant. So this plant has the roots. You know how the water is dripping? That's, yes, they take water from the soil. They take food from the soil and just deliver it to the leaves and the flowers. Now, do you see the roots? So these are the roots of a real plant. This is the stem that's going up, like this stem is over here. This is the stem, and the stem is going towards the leaves. That's how they transfer food and water to the leaves. And do you see the tiny flowers over here? Yes, the flowers have seed inside them, and humans, or it happens naturally, that the seeds help in the reproduction, producing more tiny plants. So here is an example. Look at this beautiful Coleus. The name of this plant is Coleus. Look at the colors, beautiful colors of the leaves. So here, these are the parts. So we got the roots, we got the stem over here. The stem is long. We got the leaves and we got the flowers. So here are the four parts of the plant. Okay, don't forget to watch my next video because I'll be teaching you what are the needs of the plants. Okay, so bye. Don't forget to watch my next video.